What a year this has been for her, and she looks all sparkly and happy, which she should be. Temi, Filmfare. What are you looking forward to? There's so many things.
Well, I have just performed, so that I'm very excited and relieved.
it?
It happened, and yeah, I think it was
forget any
fun.
steps?
I did forget one step. I hope they don't show it on the show. But I think it was fab because I am a Punjabi and I was doing all the Punjabi party tracks, including Coca-Cola and including Mera Boyfriend, which are my songs. And apart from that, I entered on Lamborghini, so that was fun. And I think the whole choreography by Shamak sir was amazingly done. So I had a great time on stage.
Yeah. But I think you've killed it because you look very happy and relieved right now. So it must have been, you got enough whistles and claps, so you know it.
Yeah, like I don't think I look much at the audience. I'm like looking straight, otherwise I get distracted. But it went well. I think the vibe was good.
Great, and like you were saying, we've already discussed about what a nice year this has been for you, and so much more is happening, right? Tell us what you can tell us. Otherwise, you'll tell me I can't tell you.
I can tell you that I have an early morning for Panipat tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. in ND Studios in Karjat. Okay, so I'm really going to die. But I think I'm having a lot of fun because it's my first period film that I'm shooting. Also, there's a lot more that's yet to come this year, including Arjun Patiala, including Houseful, including Panipat. So I'm going to see you like a lot more often.
Yeah, and also it's like this amazing mixed bag, right?
Yeah.
Of films, like every genre, like sort of there. But I know that you've done a lot of action also, amateur in Panipat, and you've got Bruised and all. We're discussing about it.
Yeah, not a lot, but I shot for like 2 days. Yeah, which was fun, like a lot of fun.
It was fun. The pain was worth it. What came out?
Yeah, the pain you only realize when you sleep. You don't realize when you're doing it, and that's the best part.
Yeah. Okay, fair enough. I'm going to ask you, of course, fun red carpet questions. One person you always hope you bump into the red carpet from the industry.
Ranveer Singh, because he has so much energy that he can transfer some.
I think your next question also is going to be the same answer, but I hope not. The most entertaining person you're looking forward to meet on the red carpet.
Oh, you just answered yourself. I think, yeah, he is definitely the most entertaining. Varun Dhawan is also very entertaining, but I don't see him anywhere around here. Yeah.
वो कलंक पे डूब गया है.
वो कलंक में घुस चुका है, मार्केटिंग में घुस चुका है.
आजकल सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्लास में ही एंट्री करता है. That is why. See, so much you're doing for Varun.
So much we promoted for no reason.
You know why we are promoting also.
But I'm also excited about my song that's going to come out of Kalank.
Of course.
I don't know when it's coming out, but I'm very excited.
But it is great, see, because the songs are getting great, you know.
So I can tell you that it's, I think that the kind of song that I've done in Kalank is not the kind you've seen me in before. And I think it makes me look very different from what I have looked so far.
Yeah.
Obviously, because it's a different era and the feel of the film. And the sets were beautiful. Yeah, and I had a blast shooting for that song.
Yeah, so enough hints that she's dropped. It has a period film vibe to it.
It's got a different era to it. Yeah, which is like nice.
But it's great, and also these dance numbers, when done well, are great for you, right? It just works.
Yeah, so next Filmfare I might perform on that. You never know.
All right, there you go ahead. Have a great night. I'm looking forward to so much more.